So now I'm going to talk about your espresso grinders that you're going to use to grind your beans. And here I have two variations of home espresso grinders. On this one right here, how it works is you got your hopper, you put your beans in, flows down to where the coffee is ground, spits it into the dosing chamber right here. On the right hand side of the dosing chamber, you have a lever to pull the coffee out of the dosing chamber. You have a rest where you rest the portafilter to pull the coffee into it. And on the right hand side here, I also have a switch to turn on my espresso grinder. One of the key factors that affects espresso shots is the grind coarseness, and as marked right here on the grinder, how we adjust that is this metal collar here. You turn counterclockwise to adjust the grind coarseness more fine, and clockwise to grind it more coarse. And what you're doing when you do that is when the finer that you grind the coffee, the more resistance that you're creating for the water to pass through during the extraction process of the espresso shots. So when you adjust it more fine, there's more resistance. The shot of espresso is going to pull slower, take longer to pull. And the more coarse that you grind the espresso, the easier the water has to flow through the espresso grinds, the faster it's going to pull, the less time it's going to take to pull an espresso shot.